In the previous video, we have seen nested inner classes. Let us write down the program and check all the things that we have learned. So already I have a project ready. Inside this, I have written one class called outer, and it is having one of the property, that is X or data member or property, whatever you call. The next, I have a class called inner, which is having its own property Y, and it is displaying the values of X and Y. So Y value is its own property and X is the property of outer class. Now next thing, I will write down a display method for outer class. So I am calling the method name, I have given the method name as outer display. Now inside this, I will create an object of inner class, inner, I assign new inner. Then I will call the method, that is I dot inner display. This method I will call. So till now there is no error. So you can see that inside the outer class, I have created an object of inner class, that is inside the method outer display. Then I am calling a method of inner class. This method is called. Now let us go to main method, which is inside class nested inner. This is our application class because it is having a main method inside. Now inside this, I will create an object of outer. O assign new outer. Unless I create the object of outer class, I cannot use inner class, right? So O dot outer display. This is the method available there. So if I call this method, then this method will create an object of inner class. Then it will call inner display. So if you see the flow once again, from the main method, I am creating an object of outer class and calling the method of outer class. And outer class method is utilizing inner class. Let us run. Yeah, I got the values 10 and 20. Let us go back to the outer class. This is the method of outer class, right? So inside this, I will try to print the value of inner class. System.out.println I dot Y. Yes, I can print the value because this value is accessible. The access modifier is default, so I can access it. So this will print the value 20. Let us check, can I directly access this value? Instead of saying I dot, can I just say Y? No, Y is not defined. So if I read the message, error message, cannot find symbol variable Y, location class outer. Means it is saying that there is no variable with name Y inside the outer class. So this Y should be in outer class, then I can access it directly. If it is inside inner class, then I should use the object of inner class, then by its reference, I can access it. I dot Y, I can access it like this. Now let us try one more thing. Inside the outer class, here inside the outer class, below this variable X, I will create an object of inner class. Directly I am creating an object there. And from this outer display, I will remove this one. Now this object is accessible in entire class, not just in outer display. It can be used by other methods of outer class. So I is available for entire outer class now. So will it work? Let us check. Yes, it is working. So even inside the methods, you can create the object of inner class, or directly inside the outer class, you can create a method. See, inner class is defined later, but I have created its object beforehand. So it's not a problem. This type of limitations were there in C language. So unless you define something, you cannot use it. But here in Java, it's allowed because this is within this outer class only. So you can create the object and then you can define a class. They can be in any order. Now next thing, let us try to create an object of inner class directly inside main method. I will remove this. Then I will write outer dot inner OI assign new outer dot new inner. So this is the another method I have shown you. So we can directly access inner class inside main method, but we have to first create an object of outer, then we can create an object of inner, then we can access it. Now using OI, what are the methods that I can access? If I press dot, I can see. So I can access only Y, as well as I can access inner display method. So I will try to call inner display method. Let us see what happens. See, inner display method is displaying the value of X as well as Y, where X belongs to outer class. So yes, actually we have created an object of outer also. For creating an object of inner class, we have first created an object of outer, then inside that we have created an object of inner. And this reference is directly for this object of inner class. And I am accessing this inner display. Let us run this. Yes, I got the values 10 and 20. So this is how you can directly access object of inner class inside main method. Let us go back to outer class and try for static members. Let us see whether the inner class can access static members of an outer class or not. Yes, it is accessing. Static members can be directly accessed just by using class name. So they are accessible anywhere. So they are also accessible in inner class without any trouble. Now lastly, I have to show you the files that are created. So as per this project, I should have following class files. Nested inner, this is one. Then outer, then one more, inner. All these must be inside the package that is nested inner. I will open file system and show you how these files are created. Let us go to the folder for NetBeans. NetBeans projects. Then inside this, I will change the directory for nested inner dir. Inside this folder, I will get inside build, then directory. Yeah, there is one folder called classes dir. If I see the directory, there is a package that is nested inner. Let us go into this package and dir. These are the class files that are created. I will clear the screen and again I will show you. Yes, nested inner is our class for main method. This is the class, right? A class file is created for this one. Then outer is the outer class that we have written. So this is the class outer. Then inner is, class inner is inside the outer class. So this class inner is inside the outer class. So dollar symbol is used in the file name. Outer dollar inner. So for inner class also a separate class file is generated. For every class in Java, a class file is generated. So its bytecode is kept in a separate class file. So for inner classes also it happens. So that's all in this video. You practice this, write this program and check it by yourself once. We will learn more about inner classes.